here. It's here! It's here! Everybody, come on! Dogs, we gotta go! Okay, where are the car keys? Gotta find the car keys. Alright, this is it. We're gonna go pick this thing up. I'm gonna put on my safety glasses. Let's go. Alright, we're about to go down the street here to the spot where we pick up all of our packages. I hope there's no cars in the way because I'm gonna run them over. Woo! Feel the power. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Driving through Los Angeles at about 120 miles an hour. Now we have to wait for a bus. Maybe we should get out and walk. It's a delicate operation picking up scopes. This is an event that you get to do once in a lifetime. You get to go pick up free scopes from Keysight. I've been drinking since about 8 o'clock this morning. You know, I've had about 8 or 9 glasses of scotch. Scratch that, just cut that. I'm doing just fine as we drive that. We have parked. It is time to collect. This is it! Let's go see what's inside the box. Is it a box of bricks? Is it a box of air? Could be Fruit Loops. It's hard to say. It could also be an oscilloscope that I could not possibly afford unless it was given to me. Welcome home, Keysight 6000! It's a very exciting moment. I'm gonna swaddle you in a little blanket and test some circuits. Been waiting for this. Let's get this inside. I hope it's under warranty. So this is it. This is what the voting was all about, everybody. I wanted to take this moment to thank all of my friends, all of my family, people that I didn't even know that supported this entire effort that allowed this box to land right here on this table. And this will change my career. Right? I just chopped my thumb off. Here we go. The unboxing. Hope I don't cut it in half. Oh, it's packed up very well. Oh, look at the FedEx label. It says here that it's from heaven. We're ready to open it. Oh, this, I can see it with my eyes now. Oh, properly packed up. Are you ready? Ta-da! The Keysight 6000 oscilloscope. We're gonna be best friends. That's right. Wow. Oh, it smells like 6 gigahertz. It really smells fantastic. I'm gonna get the new Keysight fragrance, and my wife will not be able to resist me. I think we should go plug it in. Oh, almost forgot. Accessories. Let's see what the heck these things are. I think there's a box of Twinkies in here and other things that allow engineering to happen. So to make engineering happen properly, you have to have Twinkies, ice cream, and coffee. Ah, Twinkies! Software. I don't even think I have a CD drive anymore. I have to check that. For my safety, I should not operate this while operating a motor vehicle. I should not operate this machinery if I am under the influence of any kind of drugs or alcohol. I have some marketing materials. Oh, a license agreement. So here's the good news. I have to adhere to this license agreement, but that's pretty easy because everything has been enabled on the scope, so there's no hacking necessary. Oh, the packing slip. This is the best part. Box contents. One MSOX6004A. Oh, with a calibration certificate. That's it. This is the big time. Here is the official certificate of calibration to make sure my 6 gigahertz are not 5.9 gigahertz. What the heck? Oh, cables and probes. Logic probes. I have no idea what this is. This is, looks like a BNC to something. This is an adapter of some sort. I'm not sure what that is. And 2 500 megahertz 10-to-1 passive probes. This will get me started until I can get the active probes. Now, it's time to make use of this. I could not wait to get this thing on my bench, so I just set it on the kitchen table. This is about to turn on for the first time. I hope it doesn't go boom. Infinivision with mega zoom technology. The fans wind up. This thing is booting up. Oh my goodness. This is exciting. Let's see if we can get past the splash screen. Alright, scope. I am now ready. Okay, the fans just turned down, so I'm guessing the initialization is working. This is looking good. Ladies and gentlemen, we have scope. Check it out. Let's see what I can do with touch screening. Oh, look at that. Let's zoom. What else do we get? Must intersect. That's a trigger. Check it out. There's my zone trigger. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure that's a zone trigger. I saw that in the YouTube video.